Hello, hi, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time, just excuse me, we're gonna pretend like I wasn't missing in action for months on end. But to be completely honest with you guys, I have not filmed any videos because I have not been motivated to film any videos. I don't know what I'm gonna title this video, but I know this video I'm gonna be telling you guys I'm moving. I don't know if this is the video I'm telling you guys where I'm moving or not, but I'm moving out of state. I'm currently living in Las Vegas, but I already have signed my lease in my new state. Use the way that I look because I'm in the middle of packing. I don't know what time it is, but I'm gonna pull an all-nighter because today we're trying to pack up as much as possible, and then tomorrow we're gonna focus on selling off the rest of the furniture that we have left. And then in a couple of days, it's gonna be road trip vlog time. That should be a fun video. And then very soon I'll be getting a camera as well because filming on my phone, I'm done with it. I'm over it, I'm tired of it. It's just time to elevate and grow and to invest in myself, and that's what I'm gonna do. So excited. Literally, you guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Are you guys excited? Because I'm excited. If you guys missed me, I'm so sorry. I missed you guys too. Genuinely, I really, really did. But you really have to be there for yourself first so you can be a better person to the people that you love and care about. And for my supporters, I genuinely love and care about you guys because you guys really genuinely keep me going. I've received emails, comments, DMs to this day, and I'm just grateful that you guys are patient with me and are still here. I'm grateful, I'm excited, and it's a new chapter. I haven't did a big move like this since I think my last big move was when I was turning 21 or turning 22, but I'm 28 now, so it's a big deal. I'm super excited for the change of environment. I'm not gonna be in a desert anymore, and I'm so excited about that. I have a big, beautiful backyard with grass, and here in Las Vegas in the desert, I have a backyard of dirt. Maybe I'll insert a picture right here. And if I don't, well, maybe I won't leave this clip, or maybe I will, and you'll just be staring at my hand, looking at that. I wanted to move for almost the last year or so, but life happens, and I'm finally moving. And since I'm in a relationship, we both have to be on the same page when it comes to moving, and that's my dog Marley, my little chihuahua, he's barking. When you're in a relationship, you guys both have to be on the same page, and one day we were just at the park really late at night talking, hanging out and whatnot, and we just decided, yeah, let's just do a move because we definitely want to buy land in the state that we're moving to. So it just makes sense to move there instead of like lingering and staying in Las Vegas. So I'm super excited. Today is July 27th. Our moving date in the new state is going to be August 1st. So we're still debating if we're going to leave on Thursday night or Friday morning. We're still debating which time we're gonna leave just to give us enough time to like get there in time. And we are traveling with 4 dogs, you guys. I'm definitely gonna be filming a road trip style vlog. I don't know if I'm gonna post it on this channel or if I'm gonna post it on my new channel, which I will have a link down below. I have not posted any videos on it, but this page, Shelly's Daughter, I've realized that it kind of became a business page. That was never my intention when I started doing YouTube, but I definitely do want to continue to keep you guys in the loop on what's going on with my business. I will link my new channel down below, which is going to be more like lifestyle. I'm going to give you guys more insight on my personal life. I don't know how much I'm going to be comfortable with sharing, but I do want to give you guys just more of just really who I am, because I'm more than just somebody who has a business, you know. I started a business, but I never wanted to just be somebody who was like only talking about business. Marley, cut it out. When I started YouTube, it was more so because I just wanted to share my life journey, my story, my experiences, in the hopes to inspire and motivate somebody else to just chase your dreams and do what made them happy. Starting my business was an extension of who I am and what I wanted to do in this lifetime. And there's so many changes that's gonna be happening when it comes to my business, but taking a step back from filming business content, because I realized that filming business content creates an audience of people looking for a business coach. And I never intended on being a business coach. Whenever I first started making videos sharing my business journey, it was just because I wanted to prove to others that if I can do it, they can do it too. I wanted to, you know, create the sense of like hope and inspiration and motivation. But I'm not a business coach, and that's never going to be in my intention because I'm like a free-spirited person, and being a business coach is very, if you guys are into like feminine and masculine energy and like you guys research things like that, business is more masculine, and I'm very feminine when it comes to just the way I am. I'm more emotion-based, I'm more feeling-based. I love having a business, but it does take a lot out of me. It takes a lot. It takes me away from myself, because to run a business, it's a lot, especially when you don't have help. Like I see And I have to like refrain from watching other YouTubers sometimes because it can get discouraging, because I see a lot of other YouTubers, when it comes to their business, they have family or friends or somebody helping them. And for me, like, to keep it 100, it's really just me doing everything by myself. Like my boyfriend, he helps me sometimes, but it's really just me. And it's a lot because I realized that because my business was so demanding of my time and my energy, I wasn't doing the things that I love doing anymore. And it took me away from a sense of self. I feel like I lost my identity. I lost who I really was at my core because my business became this thing that consumed me. And it was, instead of my business being an extension of who I am, it became who I am all day, 24/7. It's really hard trying to create this sense of like work-life balance. And this year I can definitely say, because I have taken a step back from filming so much, it's been the most peaceful year I've had so far. Like, you guys haven't seen my face and I haven't been putting out content for you guys, but for me, for Ashley, deep down inside, I'm the happiest that I've ever been in a really long time. And moving is a big deal for me. I just turned 28 in June. For you guys who are new, my birthday was June 10th, so I'm a Gemini. Gemini, gang. Comment down below if you guys are a Gemini as well. Because I am a Gemini, if you guys know, like, we have this stigma of being two-sided. It's not, for me personally, it's not that I'm two-sided. I just feel all my emotions. So if something like, if I experience something, I can experience the sides of being angry and frustrated and sad. And then also I can experience the side of where it doesn't affect me as much. But because I am so tuned into my emotions, certain things do affect me. And I had to take a step back from social media to be able to build up a tougher skin for myself. And with this move that I'm doing, like, you guys are gonna be seeing so much more of my face, but I definitely want to film that content on a separate page because I want to build a different type of community. If you guys want to know more about my personal life and get to know me more and just see more of my actual lifestyle, what I'm doing and the direction that I'm going in my life, please feel free to follow my channel, link down below. I titled the channel Vibing with Ash because my name is Ashley and it's gonna be more so vibing with me. My intention with that channel is to do like skincare, makeup, vlogs, cooking videos, showing you guys my dogs. I used to be a dog trainer for you guys who are new. So because we're moving into a new home, I definitely want to get them acclimated in that new home. So I want to share that journey with you guys. Definitely, I'll have it linked down below, the channel link down below, so you guys can subscribe. I don't know how soon I'm gonna post my first video there, but definitely once I get moved and settled into my new home that I still didn't tell you guys where it's at, I'm gonna be dropping content on that channel. So yeah, if you guys been here for a while, thank you guys for still sticking around and being patient with me. And I'm just excited for this new journey. I don't know if this is gonna be the end of the video, but if it is, make sure you give me a thumbs up, comment down below where you guys think I'm moving. And yeah, if you guys are excited for me as well, thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys. By the time you guys see this video, this room is going to be my old office, which, if you guys are OGs, this used to be my master bedroom. It turned into my office, and now I'm pretty much clearing it out. This is all that's left in here. Literally, that is it, you guys. When I'm telling you guys I'm moving, I'm literally getting rid of almost all of my furniture. Like, my intention is to just have a completely fresh start. Like, I'm keeping the things that are important when it comes to my business, and some of the furniture pieces that I really, really love, I'm keeping those. But for the most part, we're throwing away and getting rid of and selling and giving away mostly everything. So it's you know, it's a new journey that we're going on, and I'm super excited, and I cannot wait to share more of that with you guys. Subscribe to my other channel. Just go subscribe. If you guys want to see me more and you guys love me and you guys fuck with me, follow me on that channel, because I realize that this page right here has attracted a lot of children. There's nothing wrong with that, but at the end of the day, I'm grown, and I want to build a community of more women trying to just better themselves, you know, more focusing on self-love, self-care, and things of that nature. So yeah.